the Wenatchee River in Cashmere. Just playing around. We're having a very low-key Saturday. Very needed. All about that slow life lately. And it's the last weekend of October, Halloween weekend, and the leaves are finally changing outside. It's beautiful. I'll show you guys around. Today I'm gonna explore the Cashmere Historical Museum. It costs about $8 to get in, and then I paid $2 additional for the audio tour, which is really easy to do. You just go to the different displays and plug in the number. And I'll tell you like a minute fun fact about it. Really cool. There's an indoor and an outdoor section. Doing the audio tour. Now we're in the archaeology room. These are artifacts that they found along the Columbia River. The outside section of the museum, and they're really cool replicas of the town. There are so many families here, which is awesome to see. It's cool. They're all going on like scavenger hunts around here. Oh my gosh, we're at the bar. Perfect. Just what I need. I'll have a margarita or 12. Let's go see Sky. She's been hanging in the car. It's cool enough outside, but I missed her. Oh my gosh, how you doing, bruh? Hi, Annie. Good girl. She's like, can we go now? Here's downtown Cashmere. Got some fall decorations out. So cute. We're gonna head to the factory tour to see where they make these little apple candies. The train is going by. Their factory tour was closed. Womp womp. I got here at 3 p.m. They close at 4 p.m. And that's okay. I just bought some yummy little treats. And we're gonna go walk downtown now. So, see what downtown Cashmere is all about. There you go, little girl. All the local businesses have made scarecrows to represent their business. This is an insurance company. Here's our scarecrow. So this is a bakery. There's their little scarecrow. That's creepy. It's like infested. Okay, they also have gnome footprints. If you follow these, they lead to a little gnome's house. Okay, really not into these people. Yikes. Look at this band. Scarecrows. Okay, up here is Crunch and Pack. This is where they cut up all your apples. Crunch Pack, the nation's top supplier of freshly sliced apples. Beautiful 9/11 memorial. We've got replicas, the towers, names on it. Steel section of a column from the 60th floor. Okay, our next stop is Cotlets Consignment. It's a used gear store right before you hit the main drag of Cashmere, and let's go see what they've got. Cotlets Consignment. Now I'm antiquing, and I just picked up this book. 60 Unbeaten Paths, an unusual guide to the unusual in the Northwest. $8, but it sounds really cool. So many fun treasures. There are so many steins here. And for the last stop, I'm at Tacos El Chavo. I've got the ceviche tostada, and I got a carnitas taco. They've got 3 different sauces that I'm stoked to try out, and it's a dog-friendly patio. Here's Sky. Gorgeous views. Take a bite of this taco. Amazing.